Good day and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. This is Norman Rehan from PASI Math 132 Section A. In this video, i-discuss natin ang integrals of trigonometric function. Pero bago tayo magsimula o magbigay ng mga example, magbigay muna tayo ng importanteng introduction na mga techniques para ma-solve yung mga integrals of trigonometric function. First, si superhexagon. Si superhexagon ay maraming way o paraan para magamit siya para mas maintindihan natin or ma-familiarize natin yung mga trigonometric functions and identities. So yung dalawang way na yun ay pwedeng papunta sa clockwise direction or sa counterclockwise direction. Cosine, cotangent, cosecant, and secant. So yung sa clockwise, para makuha natin yung mga equivalent nito sa first application ni superhex, mag-start muna tayo sa clockwise. So, tangent u is equal to, papunta sa clockwise, which is yung sine u over cosine u. And then yung sine naman, equivalent ng sine naman, sine u is equal to cosine u over cotangent u. And sa cosine naman, cosine u is equal to cotangent u over cosecant u. Sa cotangent naman, cotangent u is equal to cosecant u over secant u. And so on. Ganun lang. So ang pangalawang way ng first application is the counterclockwise direction. So parehas lang dun sa first way, sa unang way natin. So dito tayo mag-start sa cotangent. Cotangent u is equal to cosine u over sine u. And then sa cosine naman, equivalent naman ng cosine, cosine u is equal to sine u over tangent u. Or sa secant naman, ang equivalent ng secant u is equal to cosecant u over cotangent u. So ganun lang. Okay, so the next application ni superhex is to list down the sum of trigonometric identities. So ang 1 na to, yung sa gitna ng superhexagon, itong 1, means means representing the identity. So mag-start tayo sa double function. Sa double function, si tangent u tsaka si cotangent u is equal to 1. And si sine naman, sine u tsaka si cosecant u is equal to 1 pa din. And then si secant naman, or si cosine u and si secant u is equal to 1 din. So ganun din. So sa second application, dito na naman tayo sa inverse. Si inverse naman, Halimbawa, si tangent u is equal to 1 over cotangent u. At si sine naman, si sine u is equal to 1 over cosecant u. At si cosine din naman is equal to, cosine is equal to 1 over secant u. So yun lang yung para sa second application ni superhex. So dito na naman tayo sa third application ni superhex. Few more information to get from superhex is called the complementary angles ng bawat trigonometric function. Si complementary angles naman, siya yung pair of angles or pares ng angles na may total of 90 degrees. So finding the complementary angles, si sine u is equal to cosine, open parenthesis, 90 degrees minus u. So bakit u? Si u naman, siya yung kung ano man yung magiging result ni sine u. So parehas din kay tangent. Si tangent naman is equal to cotangent 90 degrees minus u. And same with secant u is equal to cosecant 90 degrees minus u. So yung inverse naman ni sin u is equal to cosine 90 degrees minus u. Yung inverse naman niya is cosine u is equal to sine 90 degrees minus u. And then yung inverse naman ni tangent is cotangent u is equal to tangent 90 degrees minus u. And si secant naman, yung inverse naman niya, cosecant u is equal to secant 90 degrees minus u. So ang next application naman sa pagkuha ng mga identities, specifically the squared identity or the Pythagorean identity. So, gagamitin natin yung tatlong distinct triangles para makuha natin yung identity. So, to read this technique is going clockwise direction. So, yung first triangle natin, sine squared u plus cosine squared u is equal to 1. And then yung dito na naman na side, 1 plus cotangent squared u is equal to cosecant squared u. And sa tangent naman, tangent squared u plus 1 is equal to secant squared u. So sa next application naman, parehas lang sa dito na ginamit natin yung 3 distinct triangles. Pero dito naman is parang pa-inverse lang siya. To read this technique is going counterclockwise. Like for example, cosecant squared u minus cotangent squared u is equal to 1. And then, dito na naman sa first triangle natin, 1 minus cosine cosine squared u is equal to sine squared u. And then sa third triangles natin, secant squared u minus 1 is equal to tangent squared u. So si Superhex, si Superhex ay napakamatulungin para makuha natin yung mga iba't ibang identities even without memorizing it. So may ibang ways para mas madali nating ma-memorize yung integrals of the most common trigonometric function. Ito naman yung process of integrating trigonometric function. Itong unang box, use this to generate a double function. Sa pangalawang box na to, use this to get the integral of tangent u and cotangent u to complete the basic trigonometric function on our integrations. So let's start with the double function. Sa double function, gamit ito, secant squared u du is equal to tangent u plus c. Cosecant squared u du is equal to negative cotangent u plus c. And secant u tangent u du is equal to secant u plus c. And sa cosecant u, cotangent u du is equal to negative cosecant u plus c. So we have double function integrals are added in generating the natural logarithm. The secant u du is equal to natural logarithm secant u plus tangent u plus c. And cosecant u du is equal to negative natural logarithm cosecant u plus cotangent u plus c. So using this one, we must get the sine u du. So magiging tangent u du and equals to, kasi negative siya, we must add a natural logarithm. And then, this one, cosine u plus c. And parehas lang din dito sa pangalawa. So, magiging, to get the cosine u du, magiging cotangent u du is equal to adding a natural logarithm sine u plus c. So let's proceed to basic rules of integration of some trigonometric functions. The first rule, sin x dx is equal to negative cosine x plus c. The second rule, cosine x dx is equal to sin x plus c. And the third rule, secant squared x dx is equal to tangent x plus c. And the fourth rule, cosecant squared x dx is equal to negative cotangent x plus c. And the fifth rule, secant x tangent x dx is equal to secant x plus c. And the last rule, cosecant x cotangent x dx is equal to negative cosecant x plus c. So, magbibigay ako ng example. Sin x over cosine squared x dx. So dahil sa ang denominator ay 2 factors, we will separate this one. So magiging 1 over cosine x multiplied to sin x cosine x. So ayun. Naging 2 factor siya kasi nga may squared. So, naging 1 over cosine x times with the sine x over cosine x dx. So, kukunin natin yung reciprocal identity nito. So, magiging secant x, tsaka kukunin din natin yung quotient rule nito. So, magiging tan x dx. So, the result will be secant x plus c. So, ito po yung first method. So, itry natin yung second method kung parehas ba yung result. So, yung second method, itatas lang natin yung cosine squared x. So, magiging sin x cosine squared x dx. Tinas lang natin siya sa numerator. So, ililet yun natin yung cosine squared x kasi nga may exponent. Let u is equal to cosine x. And then yung derivative niya, which is the du, is equal to sin x tsaka yung dx. Sin x dx. Negative po siya. So, i-apply natin yung power rule of integration. So, ita-transfer natin yung negative sign dito sa du. So, magiging negative du is equal to sin x dx. So, magiging, dahil sa yung u natin, yung let u is squared siya, so magiging u squared times with the derivative, yung negative du. So magiging u to the power of negative 1 kasi nga yung exponent mag-add tayo ng plus 1. So magiging negative 1 over 1 plus c. And maglagay tayo dito ng negative. So the result will be 1 over u plus c. So yung 1 over u is 1 over cosine x plus c. So dito, i-apply natin yung reciprocal rule. So magiging secant x plus c. So yung second method tsaka yung first method is parehas lang. So tama po yung solution natin. So thank you po. Yan po lahat yung yung discussion ko about sa integration of some trigonometric function.